Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is BoxyCharm time. This is the BoxyCharm base box for November 2020. And we're just going to dive right on in because we got a bunch of diehards that just want to know what's inside this box. All right, first off, I am going to tell you just straight out of the gate, I have variation 25. Now, I'm also going to tell you that this is not my BoxyCharm. This is my daughter's. Hers always comes 2 days before. I don't know why, but it does. I buy both of them. Go figure. Anyhow, this is the base box. It is inside the box red. The BoxyCharm theme for November is called Harvest. This is an absolutely stunning card. I love the picture on this card. And you have your pumpkins, you have your dry florals, you have your acorns, you have pine cones. I mean, you have everything in here. You have reds, greens, you have your yellows. And it's all showcasing right here on this card. Stunning. The one there's one product in here that everybody is just waiting to see. I don't know if there's different color variations that it's going to have or not going to have. But you'll see. Natasha Denona. This is the 5 eyeshadow palette. And this is one of the most beautiful and stunning. Look at this. Look at the box, the packaging. It's amazing. You can open it on this side, you can open it on this side. But I mean, the artwork, whoever did this artwork it's stunning. This is Natasha Denona. I mean, would you expect anything less of her? I wouldn't. Especially at $48. But there she is. This is the 5 eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. Look at that. Look at that. It's pretty. I don't think that there's anything over the top and spectacular. I think that the packaging that it came in is so much prettier than this. But that's just me. What do you think so far? You like it? All right, let's keep going. We got $48 on this thing. Okay. My daughter was excited to get this because she loves Dr. Brandt. This is the Spray Tonique Antioxidant Toner. And she was loving that she got this in her box. Because I'm going to show you what her choice was. It was not this. But this one does come in at $20. Is that $40? Hang on a second. I got my opticals over here. $40 for that Dr. Brandt. Here, the Gimme Brow by Benefit Cosmetics is $24. And this was her choice for base box because you do get one choice in the base box. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're already done. We got the Gimme Brow. All right, we got 2 more left. And the next one is Half Caked. And this is the Little Trio Fondant Liquid Lipstick. Now, if you remember correctly, we did get these in, let me see, how much are these here? This trio here is $32. If you do remember correctly, we got the duo last month. I think it was in the Ipsy. I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look. But here we go. And here we go. So here you have this one right here. Beautiful colors. That is the middle one. Gorgeous. And this is the last one, right? That one on the end. Right here. There we go. They're beautiful. They glide right on. They do not dry because that was the one thing that I did tell you last month when I tried them on and I did the try on. And it had the gloss with it. It was so hydrating. It went on like butter. So I'm expecting these to perform the exact same way, considering I did try one already. And it was nice. It was really nice. Did I tell you they're $32 already for that trio? I did. All right, last but not least is the Moda Metallics. This has been opened, you can tell. This is not my first run on opening this box. We had some issues with technical difficulties. All right, these guys are $15 for these two right here. This one is your angled, that's kind of like a triangle. See that? Real pretty. I have this brush already. Like I said, this is my daughter's. I absolutely love it. It gets your crease bone meets at the end right here. This packs a powerful punch with shadow. And of course, you can just keep all the way along. Goes all the way into right where your tear duct is, your water. And then this, I believe, even though it's a little bit smashed, this may be a flat blending brush, and it feels like it. I have not used it, but I do have one similar. They just need a shower and a shampoo, and they'll be good to go. So these are the Moda Metallics. They go for $15 for the two of them. You have your half-caked trio fondant. You have your Gimme Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. And we have our Dr. Brandt, which is the spray antioxidant toner. And then we have the Natasha Denona. Doesn't get any better than that. $25 a month will get you all this. And a coupon. That's right, a coupon. Beautiful packaging right there. I know I joke around a lot, you guys, but you know what, in all honesty, I think that if she's going to give her product and put it in something like BoxyCharm, you know what, this is what it was packaged in when it got to the warehouse. So just pulling it out of the box and tossing it into BoxyCharm like that, I would have much rather had it show up just like this. And as for the colors, I don't know, there's a bunch of numbers and some names make sense, some of them don't. That is the Harvest for BoxyCharm November 2020. That is a variation 2-5. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button over there. Turn on your notification bells, set it to all, and it'll let you know when the next video uploads. And believe me, there are more beauty box uploads on their way. So I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. See ya.